Okay, y'all, your girl is back again. I'm back again. And guess who I got? I got the money. Before we get started, y'all, the money, I just turned 22. Yay.
So you know what that means?
Shots. Woo.
Okay. I wasn't expecting her to turn up like that.
Okay, y'all. Today we got a video. You want to tell them what our video is gonna be about, or you want me?
All I know is Cardi B stuff. That's it. That's it.
I went out and I finally found the Cardi B Whipshots. Whipshots. Finally found it. As you see, this one is mocha.
This one is caramel.
Yes.
And they both 10% alcohol.
10%. Turn up. So, we're going to taste these things. We probably should have did the thumbnail first. This is whipped cream with alcohol. Yes, 21 and older. Be 21 and older. This is not for children. Even though it might seem like it can be for kids. No, it says clear as day on the back. 21 and older. So yes, again, we got mocha and caramel. We also have some strawberries. We're gonna put a little bit on the strawberry. I also brought some Ciroc, the French vanilla Ciroc. I don't know if we're gonna do that, but I'm just saying, I just brought it just in case.
Did you try the moonshine pineapples yet?
Yeah, I tried the moonshine pineapples.
When you do that?
I been did that when we bought them. Long time ago. I actually made a video, but I never posted. But
Loop that in with this.
which one you want to try first?
Caramel.
Off
real. I don't think you're supposed to do that.
You don't think I'm supposed to do that?
Number 1, turn upside down and shake side to side for 30 seconds. Then remove cap.
Girl.
2, for best spray performance, turn upside down and press nozzle at an angle.
Just like regular whipped cream. That's all you do. Use it like regular whipped cream. Side to side, up and down. This is side to side when you're looking at it this way, right?
Why yours ain't sounding like that?
Because I've been shaking it for a while. Let me see.
Oh.
See, I think the more you shake it, the more... Oh, and it's dairy free, which is good because y'all know I really can't do dairy. So I was a little bit nervous about this. I'm like, man, I'm going to be sick afterwards.
I can't do dairy either, low-key.
This one do sound different.
See, I told you.
This one most definitely sound a little bit more fuller.
Firmer.
Let's see, which one is this one? Okay, you said...
For better performance, run warm water over the bottom of the can for 30 seconds prior to shaking.
No, we ain't finna do all that. We're not gonna do all that. We just finna try it. Open that one up. I'm gonna open this one up. It is what it is. If we get sick, y'all know why. I'm just saying.
Cardi B.
Cardi B.
Balcalies.
Okay. You wanna how do you wanna do it first? You wanna do it first on the strawberries? That's a lot. I'm not doing mine like that. Yes. Okay, yeah. That's what it looked like. As you see, let me see. Can you hold your hand upside down? Oh, wow. Super thick.
Smell that.
No, you finna eat that. I'm not gonna, no.
Why are you trying to put it in my mouth?
Okay, we gonna try it. I'm gonna squirt mine in my mouth. Ready, set, go. You most definitely taste the alcohol. It's good though. You like it? You most definitely get the alcohol. It's sweet when you taste it, but you get that alcohol.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of getting not like a strong burn.
But you feel it.
I feel a little, very, very slight heat.
It's there.
Right.
It's there.
So you want to try a little bit with the strawberry? The caramel again. We're going to put a little strawberry on top. Strawberry on top. A little whipped cream on top of the strawberry.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
That is a lot. But it looks so good. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Mommy, do mine. Okay.
10% alcohol. Okay. I like that.
It definitely makes makes the alcohol taste go away, kind of. Yeah.
Most definitely, I feel like this is a creeper. If you take too much, I most definitely feel like you'll be lit. I'm just saying. You don't think so?
Oh, for sure. I know so. What you mean?
That's good. I like that. Okay, next we're gonna try the mocha, which I don't really care for chocolate. And I forgot to mention that this is infused with vodka.
What if this one a different color?
Oh my god, is it broke?
What? Oh no.
This might be a whammy.
Nope. Not drink. Not eating it.
Oh wow, I might have to take this one back. This one is a little bit messed up. I guess that's the downside about these. I can't believe this one just didn't. This just. I called the store to let them know that my bottle was damaged, and they just told me to return it. They'll exchange it, no issues. They've been seeing that a lot with these Whipshots, so if you have this issue, just return it to the store. This one was kind of messed up.
Yuck.
Most definitely tastes like chocolate. What you think, her? I wonder if I put it in the refrigerator for a little while. Yeah, this one is a flop. I don't know if it was just overfilled or if it's just was old, sent to the store old.
I like that one better with the strawberries.
Let me try it with the strawberry. Since Damani says good. Now I don't really eat a lot of strawberries, and I don't eat that much chocolate. Just not my favorite.
Now one thing I will say, chocolate covered strawberries, the best.
This is a dud. It most definitely give you that strawberries dipped in chocolate vibe. Big time. But I personally like the caramel one better. That's just me. Because I really don't like strawberries dipped in chocolate. Now I like white chocolate strawberries, but not really chocolate. Yeah, which one you like better?
Alone, the caramel.
With the strawberries, the chocolate?
Yeah.
I wish this one wasn't
messed up.
Right. I had the vanilla one as well, but that one was canceled because they completely sold out of it. So yeah, and these retail for $12.99. Was it $12.99? Yeah, I think $12.99 at Total Wine. Now I don't know where else you could find them from, but I got these from Total Wine, $12.99. They also have the bigger bottles for like $22, and the bottle was big. It was big.
They got one bigger than this?
Yes, they got a big one. Like I said, it's bigger than this. It's like double this size.
Oh wow.
It's almost like a hairspray can. It's almost like that.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and it's $22. But I knew that I didn't want a big one because I think when I'm done with this, unless I make a drink. Again, y'all, these are the Cardi B new whipped shots. 10% alcohol. This is pretty good. This one is good. I really, really like this. And because I'm not really a chocolate fan, that's why I don't really care for this one. But I most definitely probably will buy this again.
Okay, she's going crazy. Nope.
Why not?
I don't want no more.
Yeah, let me know in the comments, have you tried this new product from Cardi B? Let me know that in the comments. Yes, let me know that in the comments. Also, remember, this is for 21 and older, and Damani, you are
22.
okay. But anyway, leave in the comments. Let me know, have you tried this new product from Cardi B? It's been out for a while, almost a year now, and we're just getting it in our area. So I finally found it. I'm happy I tried it. Will I buy it again? Is this going to be a repurchase for me? Maybe on special occasions. You know, like holidays, when the family is coming, we're doing like different little drink games or whatever. I think this will be really good for that. New Year's, it'll be really good for that. When you're doing jello shots, yes. When you're making those special cocktails and you need some whipped cream on top, that's what this is good for. But just for like just a regular everyday thing, it's a no for me. But on occasions, yes. So what about you, Damani? Would you buy this?
No.
Why not?
I don't really like whipped cream. Like, I like whipped cream, but like not enough to, oh, let me go buy some whipped cream with alcohol in it. No.
So would you buy it for like party situations?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like if I know me buying this is gonna get used up tonight at the function, yes.
Yeah, that's how I feel too. Only when it's an event, you know, I will buy something like this. Just not on a regular day. I'm finna drink. No, it will be a pass. But holidays, party nights, it's a go. So yeah, leave in the comments. Let me know, have you tried these yet? Have you seen these in your store? What do you think about these? Is it a go for you or it's a big pass for you? So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, follow me on all of my social media platforms. So yes, y'all, I guess I'm gonna get out of here and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.